let's move towards the next question, question 4. It is said that we have to find two consecutive positive integer. बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. Two consecutive positive integer. Let's get the first meaning of this. We know the integers. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That means infinite. But here it is clearly mentioned positive. So answer must be 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can say the natural numbers also. Fine. Let's get the meaning consecutive. The consecutive matlab, yes, that the numbers which are continuous, continue number. That we know that 2 comes after 1, 3 comes after 2. मतलब एक के बाद आएगा 2, 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 4, 14 के बाद 15, 21 के बाद 22. So whenever the two consecutive numbers, we know that the second number is always one more than the first number. दोबारा एक बार, जब भी हम दो consecutive numbers की बात करेंगे, तो अगर पहला number, so let first positive integer, the numbers which we suppose, that is x. So we can write the consecutive positive integer. Consecutive मतलब उसके बाद वाला. अगर ये 15 होगा तो उसके बाद वाला नंबर 16 होगा. अगर ये 21 होगा तो इसके बाद वाला 22 होगा. मतलब the next consecutive number is always one more than the previous number. So this is the interesting to suppose for the numbers. Numbers को suppose करना. देखो यहाँ पे जो दो quantities है, the numbers which are positive, they have given indirectly relation between this by using the word consecutive. Consecutive word यूज करके हमें पता चल रहा है कि इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है. So that is x and x plus 1. Now let's see what is given. यहां पे दिया है sum of whose square. Sum of square. इन दोनों नंबर्स के स्क्वायर का एडिशन. तो हम स्क्वायर करेंगे पहले. I have done the square of both the numbers and addition, which is given 365. See, that is very important. This is how we form the equation. अब इसको simplify करके standard form लाएंगे. But when it is given that we have to do the sum of square of this number, so the second number which is binomial, we have to do the square like this. We are not supposed to give the individual square. दोनों को individual नहीं देना है. It should be the whole bracket square. So now let us simplify it as x square. We know how to simplify this. A plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. These three are the expansion of x plus 1 the whole square. Now meanwhile I'll take this term to the left hand side, which turns into negative. So we will obtain x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus minus minus 364. We can observe that 2 is common. So it remains x square plus x minus, when I divide with this, so it 182. I'll take this 2 to the right hand side. So that is x square plus x minus 182 is equals to 0. Now recall the previous question. We have to find the factors of 182, but by subtraction we have to get 1. तो अगेन ये पिछला क्वेश्चन ही हुआ. हमने 182 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाले थे. If you remember, it is 2 into 7 into 13. But in the previous question, we have to get the 27 by addition, but this time we have to get the 1 by the subtraction. So again the factors would be the same, 14 and 13. See, 14 minus 13 would be 1. So the factors are 14 and 13. So let me explain you one more interesting method here. 14 minus 13 is equals to 1. So we come to know these are the factors 14 and 13. So how we can write it direct? X plus 14 and x minus 13 is equals to 0. See, I have written here directly. When we can write this, let me explain you. And how I have written, that also I will explain. When we can write, whenever the coefficient of x square is 1, then only it is written. जब x square का coefficient 1 हो तभी हम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. अब कैसे लिखा? So as we obtain the factors, plus 14 minus 13 is equals to what? Plus 14, so it is plus 14, minus 13, so it is minus 13. So we can say there are two values of x. x is 14 or sorry x is minus 14 और x is 13. So now let's come to the answer. हमने यहाँ पे क्या सपोज करना था, कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. एज x is minus 14 is not a possible, so this does not exist. ये पॉसिबल नंबर्स नहीं है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर. सो द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर्स, so this is the only possible number. So the first positive integer or number we can say, as we suppose x for that, so the number is 13. Or we can say the consecutive positive integer, as it is x plus 1, so 13 plus 1, so it is 14. आप जब इन दोनों के स्क्वायर का एडिशन करेंगे, so you will obtain 365. So how the sum has to be done? Thank you. Let's students come to the fifth number question. It is given that the altitude of a right angle triangle. So let me draw a right angle triangle over here. If I give the name ABC, so let us consider this is an altitude. So again, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So as it is an altitude, so let us consider this is the base. So now look at here, they have given the relation between these two numbers, or we can say the sides. AB और BC के बीच का relation दिया है. This value is 7 less than this value. आप अगर अच्छे से पढ़ो, the altitude is 7 less than the base of this right angle triangle. ठीक है. If the hypotenuse is 13, hypotenuse का सीधा value दे दिया है 13. Find the other two sides. तो अब हमें सपोज करना है, विच नंबर शुड आई सपोज, मैं इसको सपोज करूं या इसको. अब क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे एंड लेट अस सी दैट विच वैल्यू और विच साइड इज कंपेयर विद द अनदर साइड. तो यहाँ पे एल्टीट्यूड कंपेयर किया है बेस के साथ, तो हमें बेस को सपोज करना पड़ेगा. तो एल्टीट्यूड मिलेगा x माइनस 7. सी इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हम बेस सपोज करेंगे x, तो दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑब्टेन एज एन एल्टीट्यूड. तो लेट्स नोट इट डाउन. लेट इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी, हम नाम नहीं दे तो भी चलेगा, 100% इट इज एक्सेप्टेड. एज एबीसी बी इज राइट एंगल, तो हम बोलेंगे कि ए बी इज एन एल्टीट्यूड विच इज एक्स माइनस 7. हम लिखेंगे इट इज एन एल्टीट्यूड. सो बेस इज बीसी, दैट इज एक्स वी सपोज, इट इज अ बेस. एंड द लेंथ ऑफ द हाइपोटेनियस इज गिवन 13, दैट इज हाइपो. अब मजे की बात यह है, they have given nothing, बस खत्म हो गया और बोला कि find out these two values. तो कैसे करेंगे सर? How we'll do this? If you remember this, whenever the three sides are there, we know that we'll use always Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle. So the equation will be formed by using the Pythagoras. So using Pythagoras, we know that AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. मतलब the square of the hypotenuse equals to sum of the square of the other two sides. The length of AB we have, that is x minus 7, BC that is x, and AC that is 13. It is almost like the previous number question. Again we'll do the expansion by using A minus B formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Square of x, x square, 7 2s are 14x and 7 square 49. Plus x square. Let me take out the square of 113 to the left hand side. The square of this 169 and I have taken on the left hand side, so I can simplify. I have 2 times x square, so it is 2x square minus 14x. These two are like terms, so I will subtract minus 120. We can see that x from all the terms 2 is common, so it is x square minus 7x minus 60. When I take 2 to the right hand side, so it is x square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Okay. Now it's quite easy. Excuse me. Let's find the factors of this. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. So we discussed we have to find the factors. 160 is 60. हमें 60 के possible factors निकालने हैं. By subtraction we have to get 7. अगर मैं इसके all possible factors निकालूं तो 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So these are the prime factors. We have to get 7. देखो अब 7 कैसे आ रहा है? How do we get the 7? So if I get these 3 numbers, so 4 3s are 12 and 5. So 12 5s are 60, and to obtain 7, I'll do minus 12 plus 5 is equals to minus 7. मैंने 12 minus 5 नहीं किया. Remember students, I have to get minus 7, so the bigger term should be negative. So plus minus minus sign of the bigger term. तो हमें क्लियरली मिल गए हमारे फैक्टर्स minus 12 और plus 5. So here the coefficient is 1. हम डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे फैक्टर्स. As I told you minus 12, तो x minus 12 and the another is plus 5, so x plus 5. So we can say there are two possible values, x is 12 and x is minus 5. As we can say this number does not exist. Why? Because the length can never be negative. कोई भी polynomial का कोई भी side कभी negative नहीं होता. It's a length and length is always a positive number. So we can say that the number of x is 12. Okay. So now the required sides, हमें BC ढूंढना था, which is the base. So we can say as it is x, so it is 12 centimeter. And the altitude, that is AB. We supposed x minus 7. So that is 12 minus 7, so it is 5. Students, if you remember, these are the triplets, 5, 12 and 13. Fine. So 5, 12, 13. These are the triplets of right angle triangle. Let's start with the sixth number. This is a good number question. It is said that a cottage industries produce a certain number of pottery articles. मिट्टी के कुछ articles बना रहे. Toys we can say. In a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of article was 3 rupees more, twice the number of articles produced on that day. तो यहाँ पे दो चीजों के बीच में रिलेशन दिया है. देखो, एक तो कॉस्ट ऑफ आर्टिकल और दूसरा कितने आर्टिकल्स प्रोडक्ट हो रहे हैं उस दिन. देयर आर टू क्वांटिटीज वी हैव. कितने आर्टिकल्स बन रहे हैं, टॉयज बन रहे हैं, और हर एक टॉय की कॉस्ट क्या है. द टू क्वांटिटीज आर गिवन. सो इफ द टोटल कॉस्ट प्रोडक्शन ऑन दैट डे वाज 90, टोटल कॉस्ट हमें दे दिया. सो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में द टू quantities which I discussed, that the number of articles produced और दूसरा है cost of each article. So which value we should suppose x first. x किसको suppose करेंगे इन दोनों में से. तो let's read the question and let's see that which quantities compare with the another. किस क्वांटिटी को किस क्वांटिटी के साथ कंपेयर किया है, that is very important. क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे. It was observed that on a particular day the cost of production of each article cost is 3 rupees more than twice of number of articles produced. That means the cost is compared with the number of articles produced. तो हम इसको x suppose करेंगे. अब what is the comparison? It is given that this value is 3 more twice the number of production. 3 more twice the number of production. So this will be the cost of each article. हर एक आर्टिकल इतने रुपए का होगा. समझो कि ये 5 रुपए का हुआ. 5 आर्टिकल्स हमने बनाए, तो ये कितने रुपए का होगा. 5 2 10 plus 3 13. मतलब जितने भी आर्टिकल्स बनाएंगे, 10 आर्टिकल्स बनाए, तो व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल. 10 2 20 plus 3. So it is like that. So this value, the cost is based on the number of articles produced. ठीक है. अब यहां पे दिया है the total cost, or we can say the total cost of production. Total cost of production on that day is ₹90. अब कैसे मिलेगा हमें. तो as we have done the relation, इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, अगर एक आर्टिकल 10 रुपए का हुआ, समझो एक आर्टिकल 10 रुपए का हुआ, तो हमने कितने आर्टिकल्स बनाए. तो 5. तो 10 5 50. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल एंड हाउ मेनी आर्टिकल्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. इन दोनों का हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब जाके हमें टोटल कॉस्ट मिलेगा. सो द इक्वेशन वुड बी द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल is the total cost of articles of production. So now the simply equation is formed. 2x square plus 3x. I will take 90 left hand side. Now we can see that 2 is not common. So let's find the factors. हम इसका product नहीं करेंगे because this is the larger. तो हम लिखेंगे 2 and all the possible prime factors of 90. हम 90 के prime factors लिखेंगे. So 90 is 245 are. So 3 into 3 into 5. So these are the prime factors of the product of this. तो हमने डायरेक्ट लिखा. कैसे लिखा देखो. 2 is a prime number तो वो as it is. And 90 के prime factors I have written. 45 2s are. So now let us see that what we have to obtain. We have to obtain 3 by subtraction. Subtraction से 3 लाना है. तो देखो किस तरह से आ सकता है. If I take this 3 numbers first, 3 4s are 12 and this 2 number 5 3s are 15. So the product would be the same 180. और इन दोनों का subtraction भी देखो, will obtain plus 3. कैसे? 15 minus 12 is 3. Now remember students, यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि coefficient of x square is there. 1 होता तो हम डायरेक्ट लिखते, हम यहाँ पे नहीं लिखेंगे. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equals to 0. Common from first two and last two. You can see that what is the common? It is x only. So it is 2x plus 15. What is common? The sign of third term and 12. No, 12 won't be common. So it is, I think 6 is the common. So it is 2x plus 15. As I have taken out minus common, the sign I have changed. This both the term must be same. So one is 2x plus 15 and another is x minus 6. So one of the factor we can say x is, that means the value of x is minus 15 upon 2 and another value of x is 6. As we can say that negative number does not exist, so ये possible है ही नहीं. So we obtain the value of x, that is the number of articles. So let's write down here the number of articles produced. So as it was suppose x, so we can say 6 articles produced on that day. उस दिन 6 आर्टिकल्स बने होंगे पॉटरी के बड़े बड़े या वॉट एवर द साइज डजंट मैटर. एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल जो हमें ढूंढना है, कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल. तो हमने सपोज वही किया है 2x plus 3. सो लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x दैट इज 6. तो 2 6 are 12 plus 3 so 15. हर एक आर्टिकल का वैल्यू क्या होगा 15. तो देखो we'll obtain 90 the cost of articles. 15 6 are 90. Thus we have completed the second exercise of this chapter. Thank you.